Are you trying to find the best student information system for your school? You've come to the right place. This spreadsheet that I'm going to show you will help you define what you're looking for your school and which system meets your needs the best. So just stay with me and I'll show you how to create this great report and how to present it to your boss or your board. First thing you need to do is you need to get a copy of the report. If you don't have it already, just see the link in the description below. Next is you need to make your own copy for yourself. So go to File, make a copy, and then go ahead and give it a name that you like. Step 3, we are now going to customize a report to match the needs of your school. So column A represents the different things that a school management system can do, and column B represents how important that is to your school. So if student demographics is really important for your school, then in column B, I want you to put in a 5. If it's just okay, then put in a 3. If it's not that important, put in a 1. Now, if Gradelink really nailed your need, then go ahead and put in a 5. If it just did okay, put in a 3. And if it didn't do very well, then put in a 1. And if you want a reminder of what Gradelink does, put your mouse over the word student demographics and a little YouTube video will pop up so that you can go ahead and review what Gradelink does for student demographics. Next, we're just going to go to the next row. If discipline and behavior are really important to your school, go ahead and put in a 5 for importance. If it's just nice to have, put in a 1. And then if Gradelink did a great job on that, put in a 5. If it didn't do a great job, put in a 1. And you'll notice here at the top, a score is starting to populate for you. And this is ranking how well Gradelink meets your needs. Now, next, you're going to go ahead and you're going to have to rank the other software systems out there. So just go ahead and rename System B or System C to other systems. If you need to add another column, go ahead, add another column. And you've got this column here on the right called Comments, where you can just go ahead and put different notes to yourself, just different fine points that you need to know about. If you found this video helpful, please press like or subscribe. Just let me know to make more videos like this for you. Thank you so much.